So if we update this kitchen, this is gonna be before, I would say, video, and then I'll post the after. So those kitchen cabinets are, looks like built-in cabinets. I can remove the doors are not like easy removable ones, so even the inside is not easy to remove. So what I did is just to remove this part so that I can have more space to work on that part. I removed the screws, but still, like, it's very firm. Like, believe me, I even tried like with all the tools and tried to bang it with the sledgehammer and everything. It's not even moving. It's firmly built, like high quality one. But I don't have to remove it, so we can replace it with the new styles shakers. So I just removed the filler over here, just banged it. So I got open space, I would say, here now to work on. So I'll have to pull this part out, and then those drawers are not removable, so I removed the door. I'll start to pull from this side. As you can see, there are a lot of nails that are nailed to that part, to the wall and everything. It's like everything is connected to each other over here. It's not like 4 screws over there on top, 2 top, bottom, and the screws over here. No, it's not like that. So everything is pretty much tightened up, firmly fit over here. So I have a little hard time. So spending about a day to remove the cabinets. So finally got a grip from underneath. Remove those nails. There are 2 nails on the top. I can't remove this drawer here. Those are nailed on the inside over there. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's right there. Right there. There are a lot of nails. It's nailed to this headboard. Nailed over here. Nailed on the back. Like everything is nailed other than the screws. So let me explain it, how they built it. So they initially put all the cabinets over here and then didn't cover it with the drywall. So they put all the cabinets, tightened up with the nails and screws and everything. They pretty much nailed from the top to the bottom. And then they put the drywall in. So it looks like a built-in cabinets, but they're not actually. So the doors are not removable, but everything is like nailed to the wall and to the I believe they call it a headboard, I'm not sure. So they nailed it to the other side, like the fillers, everything is nailed. So I got a good grip over here, so I'm removing it with nail remover. So it's working fine. So I'll just have to pull this one out, and then this is gonna go down. I'm just gonna follow the suit over here, so it's gonna be the same thing, and then I'll remove all the cabinets on this side and the bottom one. It's right here, so it fell down. One is down, on to the next one. So I got 3 pry bars. So what I'm doing right now is like just go in here where they go connect each other. So go with that pry bar and then try to remove and loosen up from here. The nails are definitely on this part, and the nails over there. So that's not a drywall, so I can I mean, this is drywall, but this one is a wood. So I don't know what type of wood is it. So I just push it from this side, and I'll loosen up that part, and then loosen up this part, and then I can just pull this one down, and then I'm gonna be on to the next one. Now it's going faster than I thought. Hop, 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 hop. I can just pull it out. Yes, it's losing nice now. Easier to work if you want to see. Curious to see the inside. It looks like this. It's just like decorative. Alright, so unplug the hot water and then cold water pipes. Now I have to unplug the dishwasher pipe over here, remove the cam tap, remove all the cabinets, just one over here on top of the fridge left, and the rest looks cool. So that's it for now. Alrighty, done for tonight. Everything is removed, plumbing done here, so I'll probably have little taller cabinets. So this is how it looks so far, and this part we'll remove it tomorrow.